Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Chrysanthemums are old and valued Chinese herbs. Chrysanthemum was used as a tea and healing herb already 1,000 years ago. How to take care of chrysanthemum or how to make its tea and its tea's benefits are already in our channel, so if you wish to, you can watch that video. Chrysanthemums are known as long-lasting autumn flowers. From the first week of December to the mid of January, these flowers were in our garden. We can make many kinds of things with these chrysanthemum flowers, like tea or compost for our gardens and many other things. But today we will be telling you about the skincare and the hair care that we can get from these chrysanthemum flowers. One more very interesting thing we can make is bioenzyme from this fresh flower. We have already uploaded that video as well. So if you wish to, you can go to the playlist and watch the video. First, let me tell you how you can grow and harvest this. Then how you can dry it and store it. You can use the same tea versatilely in skincare. Let us see what wonderful herb chrysanthemum really is. Chrysanthemum infusion is drunk in China and other parts of Asia not only because of its wonderful taste but also because of its healthiness. Chrysanthemum infusion is even healthier than green tea. It has lot of different minerals, antioxidants and amino acids. You can let these flowers sun dry in the plant itself, or you can pluck the flowers like this only. Do you know chrysanthemum infusion boosts immunity? Chrysanthemum tea contains plenty of vitamin B. We can use these chrysanthemum for skin care and hair care. Chrysanthemum is a real treasure for your skin. It is a very cool type of herb. A cool herb is soothing. Excessive heat correlates with inflammation. You should take advantage of this characteristic of chrysanthemum if you want to use it in cosmetics. My mom collected many dry flowers. Chrysanthemum extract has been found to have a revitalizing effect on hair follicles. Sleeping hair follicles also come to life with a chrysanthemum treatment. This is how thin hair starts to thicken. After all of collecting these flowers, you can sun dry them right now after checking if there are any insect attack on these flowers. Or you can cut the petals like this and then also sun dry. If you wish to know anything about skincare or health benefits of this chrysanthemum, you can easily search online and you will get so many results. Now you might be wondering, how can we prepare this chrysanthemum infusion? Chrysanthemum flowers can be extracted into water. A herbal infusion made of chrysanthemum is suitable for facial lotions, steaming the skin, or a hair rinse. All you need to do to make this is you need 5 dried chrysanthemum flowers and put them in boiling water. Make sure to boil the flowers and the water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Strain the flowers from the tea and your perfect infusion is ready. With the same process, you can make herbal oil which can soothe your hair and skin. If you wish to, we will show you how to make this hair oil in the further video. but not today. That's all for today. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.